friends, my name is Evil Coder and today I'm going to be showing you guys about this new Planet Encyclopedia app that I've made. So, this is the coding. This has been made in Spider Anaconda 3. So I'm going to run it. Yeah. So over here, this is the drop down box. So you don't need to type anything here. You just need to go to this arrow and you can select these three. So if I select Mercury, then you need to click on this show planet info button and it's going to be showing you. See, it shows Mercury, its picture, its gravity radius, and a little information about it. Then just like that, there's about Venus also, like show planet info. So picture, so the name, picture, gravity, radius info, and it's the same for Earth too. Yeah, so this image, so this is a very good looking image, I would say. Anyway, so this is the app that I've made. With this coding is like this must be looking like a lot. This is just some copy pasting. But anyway, I hope you like the video and please like and subscribe. Thank you.